baby is all done. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out the back. (2015) Jeep Renegade, all done.
What's up, everybody? This is Dave Pereira. Like she said, it's finally done. The 2015 Jeep Renegade. It is done. And look at this bad boy. Boom! Black and white. And it is rocking. Well, let's go and check it out. So, before that, it has the remote start. Boom. Well, look at the vibration. Well, it's not a V8, it's a 4-cylinder. So I'll turn this bad boy off. Let's go through it and check it out. So, first thing first, let's start from the top. Like I mentioned earlier, I black out, tint all the window. My bad, the headlights. And also, look at that. Black out signal lamps. Black the signal lamps, fog lights. I was like, yeah, I'll leave it alone. And this is all blacked. Everything is blacked out. And even the emblem, I painted black. Put the Renegade decal. Give that extra unique look. Who wants to be normal? Nobody wants to be normal. We need to do unique stuff to, jump from the rest of the group. All right. So, and look at these bad boys. My tire shop guy hooked me up big time. So if you can see closely, these are all-terrain with the tires. These are not like mud tires. These are called like a hybrid. Like it has the highway, it has the aggressive tread pattern, but also have the good flat tread pattern for highway. So there's no noise driving on the highway. And it's pretty good because like you have it's like 2-in-1. It's a hybrid. It's pretty awesome. And also I make the rims black, put my little touch on a chrome dust cap. The Renegade badge was already there. So you guys want to check the inside out? See, okay, we're here. I love this about boom, and look, hear that. Can you guys hear that? Proximity key. I love those keys. Like basically I don't have to take my keys out or anything. So if you guys can remember, this was a disaster. It was stinked. It looked so gross. And it smelled like, my cigarette smell combined with a pig lived on it. But I don't know how many times I did this. I basically steamed the whole car, carpet clean basically I have a carpet cleaner. I clean all the seats. It came pretty good. I probably clean it again, give that final touch. And look at the inside. It's pretty clean. I mean, look at it. I mean, and also look, it has plenty of space. Like, I mean, I'm close to say I'm 6 foot, and look at this, plenty feet. Like, you can fit 2 people, like even 3 guys without. I mean, that's okay. Let me show you guys. So that's my settings, and there's plenty space. And for me, and I take my seats all the way back too. And look how much space that is. I mean, literally, it's pretty good SUV. Like, if you guys want to buy a Renegade. I'm not telling you guys buy this, but if you guys are planning to buy one, make sure you guys consider Renegade. I mean, it's pretty good deal. And also, I put this decal, the star, the beat of star, have that, give that wild look. I probably take this thing off. I was planning to black this out, but it's already awesome enough. I don't need to do anything else. All right, so let's take the, voila. Look at it. I mean, look how space that is. How much space you guys have. Like literally, plenty space. Of course, I did not put the spare yet. It's kind of dirty, but we'll fix it. But literally, it has plenty space. And when you put this guy down, how we do this? Basically, you push that, and look, all this space. Why you want to buy a car? Who wants to buy a car these days? I mean, I love my challenge, but that's another thing. But who else wants to buy a car? Like, you have the gas mileage of a car and a comfort of SUV. Look at it. I mean, plenty space, and plus you have 150 outlet. Oh yeah. So I mean, you can charge your laptops. I mean, what else you want? And look at this theme, like everywhere Jeep. Basically, Renegade is built in Italy, but they want to make sure this is a Jeep. Hey, we built this is in Italy, but this is a Jeep, people. That's why they put Jeep symbol everywhere. Like everywhere you see Jeep symbol here, Jeep symbol there, Jeep symbol on the headlights. There's tons of places there's Jeep. I mean, I'm not gonna find everything, but there's tons of space. All right, look, the interior. Let's start this bad boy up. Of course, that's the push button start. Look at it. It says the trunk was open. Comes with XM stereo, just from Dave Pereira. We're rocking the Pitbull radio, and have all the controls on the steering wheel. And look at this, guys. So basically, it has the automatic 4x4, so you don't have to worry about changing anything. There's auto mode, snow, sand, and mud. So basically, if you going off-road or anything like that, you don't have to worry about anything. Like literally, if it's snowing, put it into snow, put the gas, boom, it's on the snow mode. Sand, it's on sand. Mud, you got mud. And for the daily driving, it's automatic. Plus, you have your normal chargers, auxiliary cable port, and obviously I need to clean that area. Small cabin, like the glove box. It's pretty good, and you have your you don't have your sunglasses on. I mean, the interior, and you have the whole, when you're going crazy off-road, you can hold it down. Yeah. All right, so let's check the power plant. I mean, to be honest, I am pretty amazed with this guy. I mean, look at it. It's a badass. It's a badass. Literally, it's really good. So, obviously, you guys can remember. Look at this thing. The 2.4. 2.4 multi-air. Everything is clean here. Nothing is bad, nothing raw. Even here, look at it. Remember I showed you guys factory headlights? It's basically clean engine bay. This is the engine bay that I like. Beautiful. So, and obviously the two hood latches. And my body shop guy kind enough to leave this piece. I mean, he's a professional guy, so he basically left that to make sure, like, hey, it's factory. I mean, I bought all these parts from factory. You guys can remember that, right? So, and obviously have the two hood latches. And when you're closing it, you have to make sure, like, you have to use both your hands, like one here and just whoop. Oh well, I need to put the camera away. So anyway, well guys, it is done, and hopefully I have the HRV for sale. Hopefully I will should have sold it before I post this one, so wish me luck for the future luck when you guys are watching this. So this is up for sale. I spent close to, I can't remember how much, but I'm thinking to post it for 13,999. Hit me offer. It's a pretty good car. I mean, I'm really pretty impressed with it. I mean, what else do you want, right? So, and hey, let's check the headlights out with our tint. So it has the automatic mode. See, even with the tint, I don't think it's a problem. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well guys, I guess this is it. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this video, just put a thumbs up. If you don't, put a thumbs down. It's up to you. I'm open for comments, everything. So, and my channel is slowly but surely growing, so hopefully a lot of people will watch and be a part of this. I mean, I like to have input. Like, I want to show you guys, hey, don't do normal stuff, do different. Like, when I bought this car, you guys can remember it's a plain Jane Renegade. Yes, of course it's a Latitude, but it's still plain Jane. But now it looked like a Trailhawk. I mean, it almost good as a Trailhawk. So anyway, thanks for watching and tune in to these rebuilds. I'll see you guys from the next rebuild. The next rebuild going to be a Dodge Challenger. It's that guy. It's already closed. But anyway, I'll catch you guys next time. If you like to see that rebuild, please subscribe and peace out. Thank you. Have a great day.